Week 1. Astronomy, 23rd to 27th September 2024. Discover our solar system, planets, moons, stars and beyond, in a week dedicated to the wonders of astronomy. Week 2. Physics, 30th September to 4th October 2024. From gravity to forces and motion, uncover the forces shaping our world. Engage in hands-on experiments and challenges that defy the laws of physics. Week 3. Chemistry, 7th to 11th of October 2024. Dive into the captivating world of chemistry. Experiment with chemical reactions, create clouds, and uncover the science behind everyday chemical wonders. Week 4. Bioscience, 14th to 18th of October 2024. Explore the wonders of bioscience with us. Unravel the mysteries of life. Investigate human anatomy, genetics, and the senses in a week of biological exploration. Week 5. Engineering, 21st to 25th October 2024. Build, design, innovate. From aerodynamics to robots. Ignite your creativity and engineer solutions to real-world challenges. Week 6. Technology, 28th October to 1st November 2024. Enter the digital age. Code, robot, 3D print, and explore music technology in a week dedicated to the future of innovation.